In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a stunning website using Squarespace, a powerful platform known for its beautiful templates and user-friendly design tools. Let's dive in and explore how you can transform your ideas into a captivating online presence with ease. First, let's talk about the foundation of your website, the template. It's important to select a template that aligns with the style of your mood board. If you're aiming for a particular aesthetic or brand vibe, you can opt for a pre-designed template or use the Blueprint AI builder to craft something tailored to your vision. Right now, focus on design, not content, as it will serve as the canvas for everything that follows. Once you've chosen the perfect template, it's time to set your site's overall style. This involves customizing the colors and fonts to match your brand identity. Navigate to the Design menu where you can overhaul your site's aesthetics with a few simple clicks. Choose a font pack that matches your intended atmosphere, be it professional, whimsical, or modern, and adjust the color palette to ensure consistency throughout your website's appearance. Now, imagery plays a vital role in capturing attention and conveying your brand message. You can significantly enhance your site by incorporating high-quality photos. Upload your best high-resolution images or take advantage of Squarespace's integration with Unsplash for beautiful, free stock photography. Carefully replace any default images in your template with those that resonate with your brand. Remember, using white space effectively can go a long way toward making your website look clean and modern. Don't feel compelled to fill every gap. Strategically placed spacer blocks can help maintain this airy and uncluttered feel. Next up, you're ready to start building the various pages of your site, beginning with the homepage. Click Edit on the homepage to access the drag-and-drop Fluid Engine Editor, a fantastic tool that allows you to easily rearrange the sections. For a more engaging visitor experience right off the bat, consider using background videos in your Hero section to add dynamic flair. Filling your website with content is your next step, so be sure to replace placeholder text with your own, keeping it concise and clear. Engage your audience by adding new blocks wherever necessary, whether it's buttons, contact forms, or image galleries, to guide visitors through your site seamlessly. Finally, it's crucial to optimize your website for mobile devices. Toggle over to the mobile view to ensure the layout transitions smoothly. One of the advantages of Squarespace is that it permits specific adjustments for mobile, giving you the flexibility to ensure your site looks just as impressive on a phone as it does on a desktop. So there you have it, a straightforward step-by-step guide to creating a stunning Squarespace site. With these tools and techniques, you're well on your way to crafting a unique and professional online presence.